If your website does not have the auto backup feature, your online business could be ruined. To keep your website secure, you must protect your website with a strong backup solution. And the BlogVault has the solution for critical WordPress websites. It not only creates the rock-solid backup of your site, it allows you to migrate your site. Also, it helps you to create one-click staging sites. BlogVault also allows you to consistently monitor your site so you can act quickly if something goes wrong. Protecting your site is super important. With BlogVault, you can protect your site without making it slow. This plugin gives you automatic malware scan, easy one-click removal, and live firewall full security. The best part is, whenever it's backup your site, it's only add new file to the existing backup whenever you add new plugins, files, or anything on your website. This means you can save time, save storage, and less server load, and it is easy to restore your website. So now let me show you how to install and use this plugin. So without wasting more time, let's jump right in. Before we move on, I would like to introduce you with today's video sponsor 𝗵𝗺𝗀𝗀. If you want to make your brand stand out and earn trust fast, 𝗵𝗺𝗀𝗀 gets your business featured on top news sites like 𝗬𝗂 Business Insider, giving you the powerful as seen on badge. Displaying these trusted media logos on your website instantly boosts visitor confidence, showing you are credible and established brand. It's a simple and effective way to increase the conversion and grow your business. Start building your brand's credibility today with 𝗵𝗺𝗀𝗀, link in the video description. And now let's proceed with the video. Alright, first of all, go to the first link in the video description, or you can type in this URL runnersvfx.com/blogvault and press enter, and it will take you to blogvault.net website. Here you can see it clearly says that you can back up your business or critical website with BlogVault. Like I mentioned before, this is not just backup plugin, it's a complete security solution for your critical WordPress website. To get started with BlogVault, just simply click on Get Started for Free button. Click here. Here you have to complete simple sign up form just by typing your email and password and confirm typing your password and click on sign up. Or you can sign up using your Google account. Okay, once you sign up, you will be presented with this kind of user interface or a web page where you need to type your website URL in order to add BlogVault into your website. So let me quickly type in the URL and click on continue. So there are two ways to install this plugin. One is the auto install plugin, in which you need to type the username of your dashboard and password. Or you can install this plugin manually just by clicking on the download button, and your plugin will be downloaded. Now to install this plugin manually, just go to your dashboard of your website, hover your mouse over plugins, click on add plugin, click on upload plugin. Now here drag and drop your plugin file, or you can choose file. Let's drag and drop the plugin file. This is the plugin that we have downloaded. Just drag and drop like this and click on install now, and then click on activate plugin. Once you activate the plugin, it will analyze your site and will take few seconds or minutes to complete the process. It's basically syncing all the information from your site. So I'm gonna speed the video up and I'll come back once the synchronization complete. Alright, so once your synchronization complete, you will be presented with this kind of user interface where you will see all the information like your website PHP and your plan, tags, and WordPress version, how many plugins you have, themes, user, client, and so on and so forth. And here you will see the performance information. Currently, it is 100% performance. Below you can see backup option where you can restore your backup anytime by clicking here. You can migrate your site by clicking here, and you can see the complete detail of your backup by clicking here. This plugin also comes with security option like security and firewall, which will protect your website from malware or any kind of virus. BlogVault firewall or security will protect your website 24/7. Below you will see all WP active logs and plugins you have, themes you have, and all the information about WordPress, and you can see complete detail over here. This is my another website. You can see I've secured this website with BlogVault. After the synchronization, you must need to activate your backup option by toggling this switch, or by going to this gear icon. You can see all the information about the optimization, JavaScript, cache, style sheet, images, and font. Here you can turn on or off lazy load of your images. I recommend you to keep this turned on because it will improve your website speed. Alright, in the quick action, if you have any trouble or issue, you can disable your optimization by clicking here, or you can refresh your content by purging your cache by clicking here. Or if you want to re-optimize your site, just click here. In the optimization detail tab, here you will see all the details like original site, performance, and optimized site. Below you will see all the details about image resizing, WebP conversion, image lazy load, and so on and so forth. All the details will be presented here. In the Lighthouse report, you will see all the details of performance, accessibility, best practice, SEO, and progressive web app. And few other details will be presented here. Alright, if you want to add more sites, just click the Sites button and here click on Add Site, enter the site URL and click Continue. Let's go to the dashboard. In the search bar, you can search your site just by typing your domain name. In the advanced option, you can narrow down your searches even more, right? 2 days ago, my site was hacked. BlogVault.net found a malware file inside my WordPress website. Then I used the security option to clean my site and they clean up all the malware files from my site, as you can see. Now let's go to the sites once again, and here you can see this is the site and you will see few icons right here like security enabled, backup enabled, site is up, no staging available right now, and 2 plugins update available and 2 themes updates are available as well. And we have the access to WP admin just by clicking here. Here we can resynchronize our website by clicking here, and you can also see your site history. If you want to see more details about the site, just click here. So let's open the site once again. If you click here, review security, you can see your site is clean now. Real-time protection is enabled. If you scroll down, you will see few other information about your site. This is one of the essential plugins that I've found over the internet to protect my site. I'm not gonna go very deep into technical stuff because you don't really need to. Just install the plugin and you are good to go. Alright, let's go back to sites once again. And now let me show you if you want to create a staging site, how you can do it. If you scroll down, you can see the option right here, staging. Click on add staging. Here you can change the backup version. By clicking on the change icon, you can select the backup from you want to create a staging site. I'll select this one and then click on continue. Select your PHP version and now it will creating a staging site. Now it will take few minutes depending on how big your backup file is. Alright, so you can see staging site set up successfully. Now you can visit your staging site by clicking here, or you can go directly to WP admin by clicking here. The benefit of having a staging site, let's say you want to test new plugins, themes on your website without making any changes to your original site, you can create a staging site. Staging site basically is a copy of your site. Test new plugins and themes inside your staging site. Once you're satisfied or customize completely your staging site, then you can restore your staging site into your existing or original site. To visit your staging site, you will see the username and the password right here. Let's click on WP admin. It will open a new tab. It will redirect to WP admin panel. Alright guys, so you can see this is our staging site URL and this is our original site. Let me show you. So this is my original site and this is the staging site. Let me show you the difference. If I hover my mouse over plugins, add new. In fact, let me go to installed plugins and here you can see all the plugins that I have on my staging site and the same plugins I have on my original site. Let's install a new plugin inside your staging site. Click on add plugin. Let's install any plugin that you want. Let's install 𝗬𝗏𝗪. Click on activate. So you can see right now I have the 𝗬𝗏𝗪 installed and activate. Let's go to your original site, refresh the page, and you can't see that plugin right here because both are the different sites. Now let's go back here. Now click on return to sites detail page. Now scroll down. Now you can see we have the staging site created right here. Now if you want to merge your site, let's say you want to transfer all the editing, all the changes to your original site, just simply click on merge button and it will merge your site with staging site. Let's click on merge. So it takes few minutes. So I'm gonna speed the video up and I'll come back once it's done. It will merge your site with your staging site. Alright guys, so you can see merge process has been completed. Now simply click on the next button, click next. Now wait for a few seconds. Once you see the checkbox over here, then click on continue. Now let it complete this process. So I'm gonna speed the video up and I'll come back once it's done. So you can see merging site is completed. Let's click here, return to site details page. Alright, now let's look it here. This is our staging site. If I refresh the page, you can see we have the 𝗬𝗏𝗪 extra plugin on our staging site. But we do not have the 𝗬𝗏𝗪 over here. Let me log back in. You can see we do not have the 𝗬𝗏𝗪 right here. Let's refresh the page and let's see. Now scroll down and now you can see we got the 𝗬𝗏𝗪 over here as well, but we haven't installed this on this site. So whatever changes you made on your staging site and then merge your site with the original site, all the data will be transferred to your original site. This is the easiest way to test new plugins, themes, files, and backup feature is the automatic feature. You can restore your site anytime just by clicking on the restore button, select your backup and click confirm and then click on continue and restore your site with few clicks of buttons. So this is the BlogVault complete solution from backup to security to staging to merge your site with one single plugin. You don't need to install different types of plugin for your website security. If you go to pricing tab, you can see they have affordable plans for any type of website. You can get the plus plan for one site or maybe 2 sites or 5 sites or 3 sites. You will see the price right there. You can get the plus plan, prime, pro or max depending on what you want. You will see the difference over here. And below you can select the package for 1 site, 5 sites or 10 sites, or you can choose from here. You can see the changes right here. If you want this plan for 20 sites, you will see the changes right here. For 10 sites, you can see the changes right here. So guys, I highly recommend to choose this plugin. They have 24/7 expert support, 100% money back guaranteed, and this is built for WordPress. So do let me know in the comment section if you found this video useful, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.